I just got a hospital bill in the mail, and honestly, it looks exactly like a phone number. I am actually terrified of dying, but I am way more terrified of the financial statements showing up afterward. In America, you never choose between being healthy or sick. You simply choose between debt or much more debt. Welcome to the gig economy, where you are the boss, the employee, and somehow the ultimate financial victim. Having no boss and making your own money sounds amazing, until you finally see the monthly insurance prices. $600 a month, strictly for the privilege of paying even more money when you inevitably get sick. I am eating instant noodles tonight, not because I am broke, but as an aggressive investment for future doctors. You think having insurance means you are covered, which is an absolutely adorable, naive, and completely wrong assumption. A $5,000 deductible means I must deliver 1,000 cold pizzas before they even hand me a Band-Aid. You finally walk into a clinic. The doctor smiles warmly and your wallet immediately starts experiencing severe anxiety. You ask if it is covered. They check the computer and simply reply no. But we wish you luck. It is truly amazing paying monthly just to get professionally rejected with incredibly nice customer service tones. Corporate workers call these things benefits, like it is a fun reward, when it is actually basic survival access. Their employer pays a portion, they pay a portion, and somehow the medical system still wins, every single time. Meanwhile, as an independent contractor, I handle everything myself, pay everything myself, and emotionally collapse all by myself. They offer bronze, silver, and gold plans, which sounds like a fun game, until you realize the prize is survival. Bronze is completely useless, silver hurts slightly less, and gold requires me to seriously consider selling a kidney, and honestly looking at my own internal organs like optional financial assets feels concerning on multiple psychological levels. You get a mild cough and suddenly, you are driving 3 extra hours just to calculate the cost of bankruptcy. You Google your symptoms in the parking lot, and within minutes, you have 3 rare diseases and an existential crisis. You still refuse to see a doctor because your massive deductible is staring at you like a terrifying financial jump scare. If you actually go to the emergency room, congratulations, you just unlocked the lifetime payment mode, premium suffering edition. So I just stay in my car, drink tap water, and deeply pray my immune system remembers its job description. Calling the insurance company feels exactly like meditation, except you reach enlightenment through repeated, soul-crushing automated denial messages. The hold music loops forever, giving you plenty of time to reflect deeply on all your terrible life choices. After 45 long minutes, you have grown as a person, but your medical problem remains exactly the same. Sorry, that hospital is out of network, they say calmly,
acting like they
are not completely ruining your entire week. I tell them it is a literal emergency, and they say yes, but unfortunately not an authorized network emergency. Apparently even almost dying requires proper network authorization, which honestly feels like the most American concept ever invented. A major surgery costs $30,000. They cover 10% and the rest becomes your personal character development arc. They say they fully support you, which is technically true emotionally, while you stare directly into the financial abyss. I track my miles hoping the new 70 to 0.5 cent deduction in 2026 will somehow miraculously save me. But a tax write-off does not fix a broken leg, nor does it pay the 15.3% self-employment tax. Independent contractors do not get sick days. If you stop the engine, you stop earning. It is brutally simple math. I am coughing and feverish but still delivering burgers. Because capitalism does not care if your body is shutting down. My immune system is currently working overtime, completely unpaid, which honestly is starting to feel way too relatable right now. You can shop on the healthcare marketplace, where every single option somehow feels like a carefully designed, inescapable trap. Pick the wrong plan and you go bankrupt fast. Pick the right plan, and you just go bankrupt much slower. There is truly no good option, only slightly less painful versions of the exact same. Recurring financial nightmare. My current medical strategy is just drinking extra tap water and aggressively ignoring the weird clicking sound my knee makes. This is not really a joke anymore. It is just the only way to survive, a system that barely makes sense. I hold my medical bill tightly, like it is a devastating breakup letter from my bank account and future stability. Next episode, we are talking about freelancer taxes, where you discover you owe massive money for reasons no one explained. Drop a comment with how much you pay for insurance. Let us emotionally process this horrific reality together as a group. And remember, if you cannot afford the insurance premiums, you definitely cannot afford what happens when you drive without it.